Alright, so I haven't really made a riding video of my RM125 yet. I just forget that for right now. This dude brought me a YZ125 and said I need a rebuild. And yeah, the crank bearings are gone, which I realized after splitting the cases for the first time. I didn't really record it because, I don't know, I haven't really recorded much in a while. And the head is pretty scarred up. And the piston is pretty scarred up, so you need a full top and bottom. It's my first time splitting cases. It went alright, but just putting it back together is the big deal. He just brought me the rest of the parts. I got the air filter. I got the crank. I think it's OEM built now, I don't care. Bearings. 2 OEM bearings apparently. But yeah, I'm oh yeah, and the gasket kit is right here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to record this. Hopefully I have enough memory on my memory card for right now. I have to delete a lot of stuff, and my work area is always dirty, so it's whatever for right now. But the main thing right now is getting those bearings in. And I got this seal right here. It's still pretty clean. I'm gonna have to just spray it off. I'm using WD-40 to clean most everything. I mean, it's WD-40, it burns, so. Alright, y'all. Well, I got the cranking, as you can see. It slid in really easy once I heated everything up or whatever. But I'm pretty sketched out about this sealant and stuff. I don't know what's too much, I don't know what's not enough. Yeah. Pretty sketched out. But I'm making sure I don't put way too much over here, because it's gonna squish it, so yeah. Alright, YouTube. Got the crank back in. I'm sorry I didn't record any of it. Poured some Yamaloo all in there. Lube it up. And let me know, is like the crank's supposed to be like this tight to spin? Like, obviously you can't tell, but it feels not tight, but like. And start putting clutches and all that on, which is a stupid hard part, I'm pretty sure of. But let's see how that goes. Alright, so I got the YZ125 running. I'm sorry I didn't record the rest of the rebuild. I was just trying to hurry up and get it running. But the car leaks a little bit. It would just have to get a new float valve needle. That's why it was leaking. So the needle doesn't show off the gas, but it's running, and I'm on my 3rd heat cycle on 32:1. Nothing else leaks but the carb, and that fat talk a little bit. But yeah, that's running. So on to the next. That's why I smoke it so much, because it's on its 3rd heat cycle. It's not any oil, because you will smell if it's different oil, but yeah, it's a 2-stroke.